Hi guys, if you enjoyed my videos, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you what I crocheted in the last month. This is an elephant I crocheted from African flower. I leave I will leave a link down below for the tutorial I showed you. So this is my elephant. This is his tail. I crocheted from thin yarn. It was gray and pink. This is how elephant looks from another side. That's his ear. And that's how his face looks like. That's how he looks like from the bottom. Then I decided to try to crochet a bunny. So double-sided ears. That's how he looks from his side. And I just need to add a little ponytail. That's his back feet. It took me about a month to crochet all of those three animals. I'm planning to crochet another bunny, pink and gray, like I showed you first elephant. And this is my third toy that I crocheted. It's also an elephant. This is gray and pink. It's more gray than pink. It's the same elephant as I show you in pink. It's exactly the same. It just I use more gray yarn than pink, and that's why it looks so different. And here in the first elephant I use more pink than gray. Thank